Join us as we explore the limitless potential of wheeled robots, uncovering their adaptability, agility, and groundbreaking uses. With their efficient movement on solid ground, wheeled robots provide a dependable and swift solution across diverse tasks, surpassing the capabilities of bipedal counterparts and finding application from warehouse management to interplanetary exploration. Enchanted Tools Mirokai, a revolutionary robot, is reshaping hospital operations, starting with Paris Eldercare Hospital Brocal in 2024. Unlike traditional humanoid robots, Mirokai boasts a unique, inviting appearance, crafted in collaboration with professional cartoonists to evoke wonder and warmth. Rather than replicating human dexterity, Mirokai simplifies tasks with standardized handles, ensuring efficiency without the need to handle every object. Enchanted Tools guarantees a flawless deployment rate by providing adaptable handles for seamless manipulation of various items. The Mirokai's spherical design facilitates swift and unrestricted mobility, essential for seamless interaction with humans and effortless navigation of their environment. Robomart introduces the world's first autonomous grocery store, housed in an electric vehicle. Recognizing that 60% of their inventory consists of perishable goods, with online sales limited due to high delivery costs and consumer hesitancy, Robomart offers a solution. Customers can summon the nearest Robomart van via a mobile app, akin to Uber Eats. Upon arrival, they unlock the van using the app, shop, and indicate completion. The fully autonomous vehicle maximizes storage space, charges wirelessly, and utilizes NVIDIA hardware and custom software for efficiency and reliability. Olivia, created at the R Social Robotics Lab in Singapore, is a multifunctional robot acting as both a receptionist and a personal assistant. It utilizes camera eyes and microphones to interact with people, aiming to eventually respond to natural speech and display emotions. Standing at 1.6 meters tall and weighing 152 kilograms, Olivia is equipped with a Core i7 processor, and future plans include mobility and improved hands for object manipulation. The Unitree BW, a groundbreaking wheel-legged robot, is transforming the world of robotic technology with its exceptional versatility and speed. Its innovative features redefine what's possible in the field. It seamlessly blends legged agility with wheel speed, offering unparalleled adaptability. With speeds reaching up to 22 miles per hour on flat surfaces, it sets a new standard for robotic mobility. Navigating challenging environments like stairs and uneven surfaces with remarkable ease ensures efficiency in various scenarios. From search and rescue missions to maintenance tasks, logistics, and even entertainment, the Unitree BW showcases its versatility across a wide range of applications. Beyond its impressive speed and adaptability, its modular design facilitates easy maintenance and customization, ensuring longevity and adaptability to evolving needs. Powered by a sophisticated onboard computer, it operates autonomously, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it gains a comprehensive understanding of its surroundings, enabling precise navigation and interaction. By embracing an open-source approach, it encourages collaboration and innovation among developers, paving the way for continuous improvement and expansion of its capabilities. The Unitree BW represents a remarkable advancement in robotics, bridging the gap between speed and maneuverability. With its unmatched capabilities, it opens up new possibilities in sectors such as rescue operations, maintenance, logistics, and beyond, showcasing the transformative potential of modern robotics. T-Rex wheel-legged robot, from Agilex Robotics, is meticulously crafted for versatility and agility across diverse terrains. Its lightweight construction ensures effortless maneuverability, while its robust mobility guarantees seamless navigation. Equipped with advanced jumping capabilities and an enhanced AI vision system, the T-Rex sets the standard for exploration and innovation. Whether for educational purposes or pioneering new ideas, it serves as the perfect catalyst for creativity and discovery. The EvoBot boasts two legged units with powered wheels at their base, complemented by two arms featuring inward facing disc shaped grip pads, customizable with various gripper types. When unoccupied, its arms neatly fold alongside the legs. It can tilt forward and achieve speeds of up to 10 meters per second. Equipped with dual optical cameras and an array of sensors, it autonomously traverses environments like warehouse, adeptly avoiding obstacles and maneuvering over ramps, ledges, and rough terrain. For added versatility, it can adopt a horizontal stance, with powered wheels at the rear and unpowered caster wheels on extended arms at the front. Diablo stands as the world's premier direct-drive self-balancing wheeled leg robot, revolutionizing agility and stability benchmarks. Propelled by 6 direct-drive motors and engineered by Direct Drive Tech, Diablo seamlessly traverses diverse terrains, conquering rough surfaces and challenging landscapes with ease. Boosting unparalleled features, including a top speed of 10 km per hour and the capacity to ascend slopes up to 30 degrees, Diablo epitomized the pinnacle of mobility and adaptability in robotics. Neo stands as a groundbreaking humanoid robot crafted by 1X Technologies, a pioneering Norwegian robotics firm, in collaboration with OpenAI, a renowned leader in AI research. Distinguished by its embodiment of AI, Neo transcends conventional robotics by deeply comprehending its surroundings through a fusion of AI senses and physicality. Unlike its predecessors programmed for singular tasks, Neo embodies continuous learning and improvement, excelling in diverse industrial domains such as security, logistics, and manufacturing. Beyond industrial realms, Neo aspires to redefine home assistance, undertaking household chores, and providing aid to those with mobility impairments. Its potential extends to research applications in psychology and artificial intelligence. Weighing approximately 30 kilograms, Neo prioritizes safety through its soft, organically inspired mechanics, mirroring human muscle movement for seamless navigation. Empowered by advanced AI and an innovative VR teleoperation synchronization mode, Neo autonomously learns and evolves, augmenting its capabilities over time. Anticipated to open for pre-orders by the conclusion of 2023, Neo's imminent release heralds a significant milestone in the widespread deployment of AI. Humanoid robots symbolize an extraordinary blend of robotics, artificial intelligence, and human-like engagement. With their lifelike appearance, advanced senses, and intelligent algorithms, they're transforming our interactions with robots. As technology advances, humanoid robots offer immense potential to enhance various industries and improve human lives in numerous ways. Subeam Industries, a burgeoning Tokyo startup, has revealed its latest creation, Archax, an imposing human-piloted robot. Resembling the iconic Mobile Suit Gundam from beloved Japanese animation, Archax stands at an impressive 15 feet tall and weighs 3.5 tons. Subeam CEO, Ryo Yoshida, envisions selling 5 units of this awe-inspiring robot, each commanding a price tag close to $3 million. Handle is a research robot developed by Boston Dynamics, featuring two flexible legs on wheels and 2 manipulator arms for grasping or transporting objects. Standing at a height of 6.5 feet, Handle exhibits remarkable mobility, capable of traveling at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour and leaping vertically up to 4 feet. Its propulsion relies on electric power, enabling the operation of various electric and hydraulic actuators, with a travel range of approximately 15 miles on a single battery charge. While Handle shares many dynamics, balance, and mobile manipulation principles with other robots from Boston Dynamics, it distinguishes itself with a simpler design comprising only about 10 actuated joints. Despite its reduced complexity, Handle showcases exceptional agility and efficiency in navigating diverse environments and performing manipulation tasks. Boston Dynamics unveiled the Stretch robot for warehouse automation through a video on their YouTube channel on 29 March 2021. This innovative robot features a square mobile base equipped with wheels, along with a perception mast containing cameras and various sensors. Additionally, Stretch boasts a robotic arm with 7 degrees of freedom and a suction pad array at its end, enabling it to securely grasp and relocate boxes weighing up to 23 kilograms. Pick, much like Stretch in its functionality, remains stationed in a fixed position. Designed primarily for handling boxes, Pick efficiently identifies boxes in less than a second. Additionally, it autonomously removes the cardboard sheet, streamlining the box handling process seamlessly. In September 2023, Limex Dynamics, a general-purpose legged robot company based in Shenzhen, China, released a W1-wheeled quadruped robot. Based on Limex Dynamics motion intelligence technology, W1 is equipped with perception and motion control algorithms and multiple proprietary actuators. On 3 July 2018, at its Tokyo Skytree campus, the Chiba Institute of Technology revealed Kanguro, a groundbreaking transformable machine. Blending artificial intelligence, Kanguro assumes the dual roles of both a robotic companion and a vehicle, enhancing personal mobility. In its role as a partner robot, it remains faithfully by its master's side, seamlessly transforming into a vehicle that amplifies the master's physical capabilities, enabling them to journey together as one. Lumo Segway presents a personal robot with robust AI, navigating obstacles effortlessly. Doubling as a personal transporter controlled via voice or gestures, Lumo offers a smooth, self-balancing ride. You can interact with Lumo via its dedicated app, which continuously introduces innovative features through timely updates, including an Android SDK. Its versatility allows seamless travel even on uneven terrain. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000, with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Optronic foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. In April 2024, Rainbow Robotics unveiled the detailed specifications of its latest innovation, the RBY-1 mobile robot. Boosting a maximum driving speed of 5.6 meters per hour, the RBY-1 offers rapid acceleration and agile turns achieved through bodyleaning maneuvers. Safety is prioritized with dynamic center of gravity control to prevent toppling during motion. Featuring 7 degrees of freedom in each arm and a single torso with 6 axes for body movement, the RBY-1 excels in performing diverse tasks, including vertical movements of over 50 centimeters for versatile height-based operations. The Amazon Astro robot is crafted primarily for household use, fostering a closer connection between you and your home by seamlessly integrating with Alexa. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, Astro adeptly maneuvers through its surroundings. It alerts you to any unfamiliar individuals or unusual sounds when you're away, ensuring constant remote connectivity and security. You can instruct Astro, set reminders, and even detect potential threats like break-ins while prioritizing user privacy. Willow serves as a versatile personal robot capable of handling household chores and providing companionship. Its primary function is autonomous lawn mowing without the need for wires or perimeter cables. Willow can also shred and collect leaves, guard your property at night, and sweep your patio. Its capabilities expand further as users can teach Willow new tasks using a phone or computer. Misty is a personal social robot designed to assist with both personal and business tasks. Featuring a friendly face and expressive eyes, Misty can record audio, respond to voice commands, stream videos, and collect and share data. Equipped with a camera, Misty possesses built-in facial recognition capabilities. Powered by Love, Lovot is a companion robot designed to bring happiness to its user. With a highly sophisticated level of emotional awareness, Lovot provides caring companionship, understands and responds to moods, and learns how to best make users happy. At CES 2018, Honda introduced its latest innovation, the Empower Experience Empathy Robotics concept. Showcasing a spectrum of experimental technologies, this concept aims to enhance mobility and improve people's lives. Through various functions and designs, these advanced robotic concepts exemplify Honda's vision of a future society where robotics and AI aid in disaster recovery, leisure activities, and educational endeavors. By learning from human interaction, these robots strive to become more supportive and empathetic companions. Pepper, a humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics, is utilized in classrooms and healthcare environments. Distinguishing itself from Eneo, Pepper can recognize faces and track human emotions. It has served as a hotel concierge and facilitated contactless care and communication for older adults during the pandemic. Additionally, a Japanese professional baseball team deployed a team of Peppers to cheer on players when human fans were unable to attend games. Eneo, SoftBank Robotics' initial humanoid creation, serves as an assistant in various industries, including healthcare and education. Despite being only 2 feet tall, Eneo is equipped with 2D cameras for object recognition, 4 directional microphones and speakers for communication, and 7 touch sensors for interaction. Proficient in 20 languages, NEO aids in content creation, programming education, and patient service representation. Animal, an autonomous quadrupedal robot developed by the Robotic Systems Lab at ETH Zurich, is meticulously crafted for inspection and manipulation tasks. Leveraging state-of-the-art sensors, it effortlessly surveys terrain and navigates obstacles, excelling in adverse conditions such as rain, snow, wind, waterlogged areas, and dusty environments. The introduction of a roller walking version in 2020, equipped with actuated wheels for hybrid locomotion, further enhances animals' mobility, setting new standards for versatility in challenging environments. Armar 6, created by researchers at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in Germany, is designed for industrial applications. It can operate drills, hammers, and other tools, with AI capabilities enabling it to learn object grasping and hand off tasks to human coworkers. Armar 6 also undertakes maintenance tasks such as surface cleaning and can request assistance when necessary. Alter 3, a collaborative project between Osaka University and MIXI, is driven by an artificial neural network and possesses a musical inclination. Enhanced with advanced sensors and an improved vocalization system, Alter 3 conducted an orchestra at the New National Theatre in Tokyo and participated in other live performances in 2020.